Did you know that many taxpayers miss out on hundreds if not thousands of dollars because they overlook deductions and credits? That could be money back in your pocket. Don't let that happen to you this season. Hello, my name is Paul Owen from Atlantic Accounts, and in today's video I'm breaking down the most commonly overlooked deductions and credits for your taxes, plus some expert tips to maximize your refund. Let's get started with overlooked deductions. First up is the home office deduction. If you work remotely or run a business from home, you can deduct a proportion of your rent, mortgage interest or utilities, and even the internet. But there's a key to this. The space must be exclusively used for work. And there are two methods. Firstly is the simplified method, which is a $5 per square foot up to 300 square feet, or the actual expense method, in which you calculate the exact costs and associated with that part of the workspace. Secondly, we have the mileage allowance. Don't forget to track your mileage for any business purposes. That includes meeting clients, delivering goods, or traveling between work locations. The IRS has a standard mileage rate, and you can apply that to the number of miles incurred with business to calculate that deduction. Charitable donations. If you donated cash or goods even to a qualified charity, you can deduct those contributions, but make sure you document everything. For non-cash donations like clothes or household items, keep a receipt and estimate their fair market value. And remember, even miles driven for volunteer work are deductible. Finally, keep an eye on medical expenses. If your out-of-pocket medical costs exceeded 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, you can claim them. This includes things like prescriptions, doctor's visits, medical equipment, and even travel for medical care. Now let's talk about tax credits. They're even better than deductions because they lower your tax bill dollar for dollar. The Earned Income Tax Credit, or EITC, is a big one. It's designed for low to moderate income taxpayers and could be worth up to $7,000 depending on your income and the number of dependents you have. Even if you don't owe taxes, you might still qualify for a refund. Working parents, this one's for you, the Child and Dependent Care Credit. If you pay for daycare, after school programs, or even a summer camp, you can claim the Child and Dependent Care Credit. Depending on your income, this credit can cover up to 35% of your childcare expenses, making a huge help for families. Students or parents of students can benefit from the American Opportunity Credit, which offers up to $2,500 per year for eligible education expenses. If you're out of undergrad, the Lifetime Learning Credit can cover up to $2,000 for courses that advance your career. Don't skip these if you're investing in your education. Lastly, the IRS offers generous clean energy credits. If you installed solar panels or made other energy efficient home upgrades or bought an electric car, you can qualify for significant savings. Now, moving on to some pro tips. Make sure that you keep good records, keep receipts, keep logs, any documentation you think could be useful. You will need that for the claim. Secondly, you could consider using professional tax software to complete the return, or even yet hire a tax expert that knows the ins and outs of the tax code. Also, file early. That reduces the risks of identity theft, and it ensures that your refund arrives sooner. Maximizing your refund doesn't have to be complicated. At Atlantic Accounts, we specialize in personalized tax preparation for individuals and businesses, ensuring you claim every deduction and credit you deserve. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more financial tips, and share it with someone who might benefit from these strategies. Thank you for watching.